Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So without user interaction, internal port scan has been initiated. How it is possible? Let's discuss today. Recently, we received one port scan alert on the port number 445 and 88. It seems to be suspicious because by default the port number 445 has been blocked, and from the logs we don't see any pan threat logs and we don't see any suspicious spikes. So we reached out the firewall team and they are also not aware of this activity and they did not initiated the scan. So we had a call with the firewall vendor support team and they confirmed some dummy accounts has been created on the firewall. So who created and how it is possible? So while checking the further logs, we identified attacker has been compromised the firewall by using the vulnerabilities present on the firewalls. So by using these vulnerabilities, he created the dummy logins and he came inside of the network. So from this, he started initiating the port scannings. So firewall team replaced the compromised firewall and they created the new one. Just imagine if SOC team has been missed this alert, so what will happen? So this is how SOC team is very important. Please follow this channel for more real updates. Thank you.